Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Mohit from Advantech. First of all, I would like to congratulate IIT team to organize this show in the South Automation Expo South. This is the second edition of Automation Expo South. Advantech is showcasing their latest technologies and the solutions. So that includes Advantech is offering a wide variety of products, include uh, from edge to cloud, from first layer to last layer, including the sensing I/O module, sensing products, then communication product line, then control, then software, then finally cloud. Within these product lines, the few important products which we are focusing in this expo are like Edge AI Computer MIC series. Second one is a modular TPC with high data processing rate, and the third one is AI based GPU modules. So these three are like our main focus for this Automation Expo South. Thank you.